Here's how you can buy from Pandabuy. Start by opening up Pandabuy application and you just have to select any kind of product that you want to buy from this application, or you can also go for this most view product, which is the best selling and the best rating product. And if you cannot find any of your favorite product that you want to go with, you can also search for it. Other than that, you just have to select their product at the end and tap on add to cart if you want to add some more products. Otherwise, you can go with the buy now directly. Select the size and select the color and tap on add to cart. You can also add the quantity and a little message. Tap on agree and tap on add to cart. After that, your product will be added to your cart on the top right. So simply tap on that and tap on submit. Before, select your product and tap on submit again. And this will take you to the confirm order where you just have to tap on I have read and agreed and tap on submit on the bottom, and this will take you to the further confirmation. But before, you have to make sure to select your destination on the top and you're good to go. Hope this helped. This is how to buy from Pandabuy.